Let's cook a delicious creamy soup with leek, potatoes, and oats. You will need leek, potatoes, oats, lard or butter, a vegetable stock cube, salt and pepper, and white bread for making croutons. Wash and peel 250 grams of potatoes. Boil the potatoes in 2 liters of water. Add 40 grams of oats. Add half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Add 1 vegetable stock cube. Boil everything for about 15 minutes until the potatoes are soft. While the potatoes and oats are boiling, slice 1 large leek. Heat up a pan and melt a tablespoon of butter or lard. Fry the sliced leek for a few minutes until it softens. Once the potatoes are soft, puree them together with the oats using a food processor. Add the fried leek to the pan and boil the soup for another 5 minutes. To make croutons, dice white bread. Any type of white bread is okay. You can dry fry the bread or fry it together with a little bit of lard, about 1 tablespoon. Once the croutons are dry and crispy, turn the hob off. Serve the croutons in a separate bowl so that they stay crispy. This soup makes a nice starter, but can be eaten as a snack on its own. The oats make this soup very creamy and tasty.